All right, this is a sugar board frame. All right here. These 2 blocks of wood. Underneath these 2 blocks of wood is chicken wire. And I'm sure you can see it. You put this in. This is for a beehive. This is your sugar. £10 of sugar, 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of vinegar for mold. You go put this on, and you're going to let it dry. Easiest way to feed bees in the winter. I'm going to show you some after. So, this is your sugar board for bees. All right, newspaper is going to sit on the chicken wire. When this dries, you take these blocks out. Then you cut the newspaper out of there. These bees will just come up through the bottom. You trim all this newspaper off, and you're going to have a sugar board. Well, hold on. I'm down in the basement. You're just going to smooth this out. It really don't matter. But she's going to dry. It's going to sit like this for probably about a week, week and a half. It's as neat as you want to make it. Don't matter. So when this dries, it's going to be solid. And you're going to take these blocks out and you're going to cut that newspaper underneath. Bees can come up through the chicken wire, and you got a solid sugar board. This fits underneath the top cover. It's made so it's smaller, and it goes right on top of the beehive boxes. All right, pretty cool, huh?